Welcome to my garden tour. I decided since the chickens got in, ate some of the corn and squash, they left some bare places where I had room for other vegetables in the Three Sisters garden, I would go ahead and plant things there because it's already fenced in. My mom gave me some lavender and my friend Katie gave me some beautiful orange lilies. I'm going to plant those on either side of the gate. That way I'll have a beautiful color every time I walk into the garden. Let's go inside and take a look. So today I'm putting up chicken wire around the inside of the fencing to keep the chickens out. Been a long warm day, and tonight, now that the sun is starting to set, it's cooled off a bit, so I'm going to get back in the garden. This was originally going to be a Three Sisters garden, but the chickens got in and ate up some of my plants. But I decided to use the unused space to plant the plants that were given to me. So we'll see how it goes, and I will keep you posted all summer long. When I harvest some of our rabbit manure, I'll come out here and I'll put it in all these little places where stuff's growing. You can put it straight on the garden. This herb has a real distinct smell. I don't know how to describe it. It's almost kind of a sweet smell to it, and I'm not sure if it's a parsley. I don't think it's a mint. It might be a different basil. The undersides of the leaves on some of them are kind of purplish. Actually, I'll just take this one off here. Can you see the back side of that? I'm thinking mint. Yeah, that has to be a mint. But it's a real, maybe like a lemon mint? I'm going to hand one to Chris. He's behind the camera.
That's funny.
Here, baby, taste that. What do you think?
Lemon balm?
Something.
It does have that lemony taste to it.
Yeah, it does. All right, well, whatever it is, let's get it in the ground.
If you think you know what it was, go ahead and put your comment down below. And see if you're right here in a few minutes.
It's like stuck right here in my throat.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry. If you know what this is, leave a comment down below and let me know. Let me know if I'm going to die from eating this. I don't think so. I think it's a herb that you're supposed to eat. I'm thinking lemon mint, but I'm not sure. Somebody let me know. Something that I learned about tomatoes is that all these little fuzzy things will turn into roots. So when you get a young tomato, if you plant it in a trench, you'll get a much stronger plant. Now, I'm not sure about this one because the chickens got to it and knocked its cup over, so it may not come back from this, but it might. I'm going to give it the best shot I can. I'm going to plant this rhubarb from my mom right here. Nothing but grass is coming up here. This is a good spot for it as any. If you ever wondered what rhubarb root looks like, that's it. I need to dig a hole. garden this small, I could remember what I planted where. You'd think wrong. Alright guys, how do you spell it? Does it have an H in it or not? I'm not sure which way is right. Also, this happened this week. I can't believe all these people see me out here changing this tire and nobody stopped. I was still driving on this. Look at this thing. That's awful. The one that I put on there looks like new. I'm guessing Thea got a hole or something in that one and we took it to fix it. And this was the spare, and then we never put the good one back on. Thanks for coming along for this June tour of my garden. Be sure to stop back in July. We'll see how everything is growing then. And by then, maybe I'll even have more things in the ground. I want to grow all the things. Little by little, I'm getting there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. The Rooster Crows.